Hello everyone. Today we are making tasty sambar recipe for side dish of Indian breakfast like idli, upma, pongal or even with the steamed rice. Take 1 cup of tur dal, soak in it for 20 minutes or cook it in a pressure cooker with 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt and turmeric for 4 whistles and keep them aside. In a pan, add 2 spoon of oil. When it's hot enough, throw in 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half chopped onion, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 3 crushed garlic cloves, a pinch of asafoetida, and 2 to 3 red chilies. If you want, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds here, but I am mixing those in sambar powder, so I am not using that here. Now take out the lid of pressure cooker in which we cooked the lentils. Salt until the onion is see-through and the garlic smells nice. Add 1 chopped tomato and coriander leaves. Cook until everything fried and tomato is soft. Now add 2 spoons of sambar powder and mix in the cooked tur dal. Add salt to taste for the tanginess. Soak 1 spoon of tamarind in water, extract the juice and pour it into the pan. Add 50 ml of water and let the flavors come together. Adjust the spices, or if you want, add 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste which is available in market. Let it all cook until it's just right, then turn off the flame. Here is the delicious sambar recipe. Is ready to serve along with your Indian breakfast recipes like upma, idli, pongal or even with the steamed rice. For lunch recipes as a side dish, you can add some more vegetables like carrot, whatever you have along with these. Cook them well in the sambar itself and serve as a vegetable sambar for lunch. A sambar powder you will get it in market, or I'm gonna make one more video on how to make sambar powder recipe at home. Sambar powder is made with fenugreek seeds, tur dal, chickpea or chana dal, urad dal and cumin seed, coriander seed, black pepper and few raw rice and a few curry leaves, making them into powder, dry roasting and powder. Try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Happy cooking. Thank you. Namaste.